straight off the boat and right into a new life. No passport, no plan, just me and a smuggled lithium battery. That's when I saw it. The perfect ride for the urban jungle. The foldable escooter i8, sleek, silent, street legal, almost. Top speed 15 miles an hour. But there was one little problem. A flat tire. Typical. But hey, if you're going to survive in a new world, you better know how to fix things. So here's a step-by-step guide on how to fix an electric scooter tire the wrong way. Disclaimer, I have a passport. Don't call immigration. It ain't cute. What's cute are the little tools that you need to make this happen. All you need is an Allen key, a little spanner, and a little spoon, my guy. And you got this. You can do this. Let's fix this tire right now. Get yourself an Allen key from the cheap discount store. Allen key set. You will find this will do everything on your electric scooter, including your brakes, throttle removal, and of course our plastic fascias on our electric scooter. After your e-scooter looks like Dumbo, the elephant, you can now flip it over. We're aiming for the hex nut, baby. 17mm or 19mm spanner. Lefty loosey. On the other side as well, lefty loosey. And guess what? Your hub motor is off your scooter, bro. You are doing this, my guy. You can do this. If Rasta can do it, you can do it. Believe in yourself. Do not pull on your wires, otherwise your thing won't work afterwards, right? Just before you do all this, by the way, double check your valve. You know, your inflation valve, we actually pump up the tire. Make sure there's no sand in there. Clean it up, because if there's sand in there, it could just be pressing it, letting air out. You think you got a puncture, but you don't. Alright, check your inflation valve. Guess what? That's the issue I had. I discovered that after removing the inner tube. I nearly cried. Don't do that. Follow my mistakes, you'll be out, my guy. Anyways, I'm using what shouldn't be used: spanners. The ring end is a safer bet to use to lever the tire off the rim. The better tool to use is a tire lever found on eBay and Amazon. The link is in the description to some beautiful tire levers. Disclaimer, I will probably get some money if you purchase these tire levers or something related to them. You know, I gotta get paid, bruh, because YouTube ain't paying enough. Now that we got our new inner tube, we're gonna line up the tire inflation hole, stick it in, baby, and then pull back the lid for the inflation valve to hold it in place. We wanna tuck it in, thumb power. Be careful not to puncture it again. You can use your tire levers to lever the tire back onto the rim, and everything else just like reverse of what we've done. My guy, you are done. You're back on the road. You don't have to sell your scooter no more. Who saved you? Rasta on the ride. You gotta like, subscribe, and all of that, yeah? Peace, love to lithium batteries. Rasta on the ride.
I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute, I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip, and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning all.